Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to connect a subdomain to Hostinger website builder. So let's get started and watch the video till the end. First log into Hostinger and open your Hostinger hPanel and go to the website section. Here you can add a new website by clicking on Add Website option and select Hostinger Website Builder from the drop down. Now choose a template. You can pick any template you like and open it in the website editor. Now go to Connect to Main. In the top right corner, hover over Connect to Main and click it. Now enter your subdomain. You can type your subdomain, and when the suggestion appears, click it and press Next. Then automatic CNAME setup. Hostinger automatically creates the CNAME record in your DNS linking your subdomain. You have an optional feature in that is manual setup. If needed, go to your DNS zone and add a CNAME record manually. You just have to add your name, then your subdomain name, target, and TTL. Finish setup, return to your website builder, finish editing, and connect the subdomain again if required. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.